The House of Representatives is calling on the federal government to consider granting tax incentives to more companies for engagement in the infrastructural development of public schools and hospitals. It also wants government to boost yam production in Benue and other states. Well, our correspondent, Jokedisa, reports.
Onolim Nnaji from Enugu State leads the debate on a motion of urgent national importance co-sponsored by 8 other members. He recalled the executive order signed by former President Muhammadu Buhari in 2019 for road infrastructure development. The sponsors of the motion said the current economic instability impedes government's intervention of adequate funding of public schools and hospitals. They want the Tinubu administration to consider a similar scheme.
Provision of good schools and hospitals are the bedrock of societal development and economic growth, leading to reduction in unemployment, social vices, moral decadence, drug abuse, youth restiveness.
The House tasked government to formulate policies that will foster exportation and boost yam production in Benue State and elsewhere.
Exportation is not a thriving business option in Nigeria due to bottlenecks created by regulatory agencies.
Outside the chamber, the House Committee on Youth in Parliament promised to leverage on youth population to bring about development in the country. Members gave the commitment at the committee's inaugural meeting.
Our action and nature to encourage the youth in what they will do, be able to draw a map on how to include the local governments. And we should be proud to tell Nigerians that we are youth, and that is the way we can actually show how happy and appreciative we are.
At an oversight visit, the House Committee on HIV/AIDS, Tuberculosis and Malaria Control promises to partner the National Agency for the Control of AIDS, NACA, to reduce the spread of the disease to the barest minimum, especially the mother-to-child transmission.
We will not hesitate to invoke our constitutional mandate when MDAs try to rebuff our invitation to provide information that will help in our inquiries and fact-finding activities.
The way to HIV services is by HIV testing. You can only take this drug if you know your status. But if you have virus, you don't know your status, wherever you are, we cannot help. Our appeal in your various constituencies, in your various communities, please help us spread this message.
The committee says it will make immeasurable impact for Nigeria to meet its target of eliminating the transmission of HIV/AIDS by year 2030. Jokedisa, TVC News, Abuja.